Hello friends, let's make the most special dish of Diwali today, that is Kaju Katli, and also from the side cutouts we will make the Kaju rolls. So yummy it is, and I am showing you very simple recipe where there is no grinding of Kaju beforehand so that it releases oil etc. or not making any sugar syrup. So let us see the recipe quickly. I had taken 1 cup of cashew nuts. You can take broken or whole, whatever you like. I have taken broken cashew nuts, wash them thoroughly and then soak them for 2 to 3 hours. And now I'll drain this. All the water from cashew nuts are drained. Let's grind them into a coarse paste now. I've added them to mixie jar. Let's grind to a coarse paste. This is ground into a coarse paste. So now I'll add this to a pan. This was 1 cup, so I'm taking 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk powder into this. Mix this well and I'll allow this to rest so that the sugar melts on its own. For 15 minutes, let's reserve. This has rested well, so now I'll start cooking this. Don't forget to stir continuously and take a heavy bottom pan, that's very important. In just 2-3 minutes, this has started thickening. So be very careful. Keep the flame very low, to the lowest actually. And now continuously keep stirring. You can see how thick the mixture has become. Now it is only 1 minute job and keep the flame very low. If you feel this is sticking to pan, you can add few drops of ghee. I am adding just half a teaspoon here. This is leaving the pan now. It is done. And what is the test point? Wet your hand slightly. Take a small chunk and try to form a ball. And it can form a ball. You can see it is not spreading. It stays as it is. So now this is ready. Let us turn off the flame and stir for 1 or 2 minutes more. Now I've taken this plastic sheet and on this I am spreading some ghee. This is grease. So now I am transferring the mixture, cooked kaju and sugar mixture, over this. Next we will massage this between the plastic sheet for 2-3 minutes. This will bring a nice shine on the Kaju Katli. Once you observe the shine, we can spread this now roughly with the help of spatula and then we will roll this. I have taken another plastic sheet, grease this lightly, cover, and I will roll this with a rolling pin. So spread into thin layer. The thickness is as per your desire. Let us give this a rectangular shape. So I will remove the extras from here, all the 4 sides. And these you can use to make roll. You can use dry fruits inside. You can make rolls from these. And we'll allow the katli to set for about half an hour. This has dried and I have cut this one side. Now I am making cut marks, cross cut marks, the way Kaju Katli is shaped. Carefully cut all the Kaju Katlis. These Kaju Katlis are ready and I had made this roll with dry fruits in the center. So this is also ready. This is from the side cuts which is removed after shaping the Kaju Katlis. You can see, so nice and beautiful. Our Diwali special, most special sweet of Diwali, that is Kaju Katli, is ready, and Kaju rolls is a side product which you have made. So try this special recipe and please share your feedback, share the special sweet. See you next time. Bye bye.